name is Abby, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I make daily vlogs, and it's a little dark in here. Well, we turn on the camera to show TJ's love of the robot. Yes. However, I realize it's very helpful that he loves the robot because I'm able to do laundry once again. When I just bring it downstairs, and he follows the vacuum everywhere and shouts at it when it gets stuck somewhere. If that all sounds good, why don't you come on my journey? You have your barnyard?
Yeah.
Did you throw all the pieces off? Let's see what you have. A horsey and the chicken and the rooster. Do you know where they go? Where do they go in the puzzle? Do you know where they go? Do you need help? Where does the moo cow go? Moo. Moo. Does he go here? Ouch. I had a puzzle piece thrown at my legs. That hurt. It's made of wood. That was an ouch. I have the rooster. Where does the rooster go? Where's the rooster go? Here? Well, you're going to Trader Joe's in a few days.
That's just the Northists.
TJ is eating lentils from my lentil soup. Just like he did at the Nepalese? I think it was a Nepalese restaurant. Oops, one is right here. Eat your lentils. Well, he's trying to eat them. You can do it, TJ. I know it's hard. You have to practice grabbing small things. You can do it, TJ.